top trending news stories from NaijaNews TV. Federal government receives $52.88 million recovered Diezani asset from US. The Nigerian government on Friday received $52.88 million in recovered Galactica assets linked to a former Minister of Petroleum, Diezani Alison Madueke, from the United States. NaijaNews reports that the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice Lateef Fagbemi announced the recovery during a formal signing ceremony of the asset return agreement in Abuja. Fagbemi explained that $50 million of the recovered funds will be channeled through the World Bank for the development of rural electrification projects. The remaining $2.88 million, he added, will be allocated to the International Institute of Justice to enhance the justice system and support anti-corruption initiatives. This asset return signals a milestone in the collaboration between Nigeria and the United States to combat corruption and uphold the rule of law, Fagbemi stated. He emphasized that the recovery aligns with President Bola Tinubu's commitment to tackling corruption and ensuring the effective use of public funds. Meanwhile, in a trending post, a yet-to-be-named officer seen in a viral video with Wahab and Rahim, sons of billionaire businessman Chief Razak Okoya, has been detained by the Nigerian police force for naira abuse. This was disclosed by the first public relations officer, Olumuyiwa Adejobi, on his X handle on Friday. Adejobi described the moment captured in the video involving the police officer as unethical and contrary to the values of the first. Last week, the video of the two Okoya sons abusing naira attracted widespread criticism, with many believing that nothing would happen to them because of their father's status in the country. In the video, Wahab and Rahim Okoya are dressed in white agbada outfit and flaunting stacks of Crips 1000 naira note to promote the latter news song titled Credit Alert. As the video continued, it captured the mobile policeman holding bundles of 1000 naira notes, while the billionaires danced and flung the cash into the air. Adejobi stressed that disciplinary action is underway to address this misconduct. However, Nigerians on various social media have demanded the immediate arrest of the sons of Lagos billionaire Chief Razak Okoya over an alleged abuse of country's currency, naira. In a recent development, the mother of Anu Adeleke, alleged daughter of Davido, Ayotomide Labenjo, has claimed that she saw the artist Davido bribing the doctor who conducted DNA on their daughter. This comment from Anu's mother follows Davido's former lawyer, Prince Bobo, came out to debunk claims that Anu is the biological daughter of the artist. However, Ayotomide Labenjo has created a different story version as she shared details on her Instagram page. According to her, Prince Bobo is covering up to protect the reputation of his former boss, Davido. She mentioned that only one DNA test was conducted, and it was done in a small obscure clinic in 2014 without Prince's presence. According to Ayotomide, the mother of Anu, during the DNA, Davido bribed the doctor who also changed the result to suit the choice of the artist, hence nullifying Anu's claims to the Adeleke lineage. She wrote, "This week, I introduced my daughter Michelle Anu Adeleke to Nigerians after a 6-year break on the Instagram page built for her 5th birthday by Dr. Kemi in 2018. To my shock, I read several blog stories claiming that I had 2 DNA tests to establish Anu Oluwapo's paternity with David Adeleke. We didn't go to 2 hospitals, but a small clinic where my daughter's blood was drawn in a private room, not even a clinic lab setting, and my family and I watched the money change hands in a brown envelope with Mr. David Adeleke and Mr. Wale Shobola, who disguised himself as Dr. Alex. Dr. Kemi has consistently requested a second DNA test on my daughter's behalf, including chatting with Bobo Ajudoa late 2019, who declined on behalf of Mr. David Adeleke. Ayotomide said she has moved on with her life, and she appreciates Nigerians' support and kind words to Anu Oluwapo, her daughter. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates and exclusive videos.